Definition. Gravitation is a natural phenomenon by which physical bodies attract with a force proportional to their masses. Gravitation is most familiar as the agent that gives weight to objects with mass and causes them to fall to the ground when dropped. Gravitation is responsible for keeping the Earth and the other planets in their orbits around the Sun and for the formation of tides. Kepler's law. Kepler gives three laws. They are stated as: Law of orbits. All planets move in elliptical orbits with the Sun situated at one of the foci of the ellipse. Law of areas. The line that joins any planet to the Sun sweeps equal areas in equal interval of time. This law comes from the observation that planets appear to move slower when they are farther from the Sun than when they are the nearer. Law of periods. The square of the time period of revolution of a planet is proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of the ellipse traced out by the planet. Let T be the period of revolution around the Sun and R the mean radius between the Sun and the planet. T square is directly proportional to R cube. T square is equal to KR cube. Universal law of gravitation. According to Newton's law of gravitation, every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. The direction of this force is along the line joining the two particles. For the two particles of masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance r, F is equal to g m1 m2 upon r square. The constant g is called universal constant of gravitation. In spherical body, the total mass can be supposed to be concentrated at its center. For bodies of the other shapes, the distribution of mass needs to be considered. The gravitational constant. The constant g is called universal constant of gravitation. The universal value of gravitational constant is given by g is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square by kilogram square. Dimensional formula of g is m to the power minus 1 L cube t to the power minus 2.